Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can delete your own server in Discord. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Discord, and now when you're here you just want to go to your server, and this is mine server. Now you'd want to click on those three dots next to your server name, and then you want to go to settings right next to notifications. And here, go to right top corner to three buttons, and you're gonna see here delete server. To delete the server, are you sure you want to delete? This action can be undone. Of course, I'm not going to delete my server, but you got it right. So again, you are in your Discord server, three dots, settings, and next to server settings you see dots. Click on it and delete server. And this is pretty much how we do it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask in down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye.